What's up, everybody? So, I'm back to riding at night, and I'm back on the Harley again. I got all the wheels changed and all that other good shit. But I actually have a topic tonight. And of course, it's one of those topics that's been talked about over and over and over again. But the reason why I'm bringing it up is because I got pretty fucking pissed about it the other day. The no helmet law. I know people call people squids because they're not wearing gear, or, you know, not wearing helmet, talking shit about it. Me personally, I am for the no helmet law. I think it should be a person's choice if they want to wear a helmet or not. If I had a no helmet law here in my state, and the reason why I bring it up is because it's coming up for my state again. It comes up every year it doesn't pass. So it's nothing new. I'm not keeping my hopes up. I'm sure it won't pass again. But I personally am not for, I agree, we should have a no helmet law. I think it should be a person's choice. And the bad thing about the whole no helmet thing is the debate about it. Because people get so fucking triggered about it. It's like, a buddy of mine posted it on Facebook the other day. Ended up being like 50 fucking some comments about this. People talking about, well, if you don't love your family, then that's your choice, and if you end up as a vegetable, then they'll have to take care of you. That means you don't care about nobody but yourself, blah blah. Dude, fuck you. I don't need to hear that bullshit. If you have an opinion that you don't want to wear a helmet, or you want to wear a helmet, that's all I need to hear. I don't need to hear any of it. I could give a fuck less what your opinion is. I don't care. And I'm talking about like on social media because, dude, I got mad about it. I really did. Because these cock stains, well, they were fucking going at it. But if you think there should be a helmet law, you think everybody should wear a helmet, wear full gear, that's fine. I don't care, you know. Some days I wear full gear, some days I don't. But don't try to push your bullshit on me. Don't try to push your bullshit on other people that don't think the same way that you do. They don't believe the same things you do. You know? It's like, hey, if I have a no helmet law pass, some days I might not wear a helmet. You know, I might cruise around the neighborhoods and not wear a helmet. If I go down and crack my skull open, that's my choice. But what y'all seem to forget is, you motherfuckers could die walking out your front fucking door. So, yeah, like I said, a little bit mad, a little bit angry. Whenever it's your time, nothing's gonna save you. Nothing. I don't give a fuck what's going on. Nothing is going to save you. And yes, you might end up as a vegetable. You might not get hurt at all. I had one buddy go down in a wreck, and he would have lived if he hadn't had a helmet on. His helmet actually broke his neck. Because of his helmet, he died. So there's always different stories, there's always different scenarios of what could happen. My main bitch about this whole no helmet thing is, I don't need you motherfuckers telling me jack shit. It's my decision, it's my choice what I want to wear. You know, y'all call me a squid or whatever because I don't wear, you know, a padded jacket and right jeans. I wear regular jeans, I wear 10 of fucking shoes. I don't even wear boots. I'm wearing my black Adidas right now. Look at this motherfucker. He wants to race me. I don't know. It's just very ridiculous to me that people get so close-minded and that they feel the need to push their beliefs or their opinions on other people and make them believe the same way. It's like, dude, what happened to the days of thinking for yourself? What happened to the days of not being fucking pussies and shit? I mean, you fucking millennials are a bunch of fucking pussy faggots. Just don't say stupid shit. If you want to wear your helmet, you don't believe somebody else should be wearing their helmet. You know, it's a simple thing. Hey, you know, you really should wear a helmet. And their response should be respectful too. You know, their response should be say, hey, you know, thanks for thinking of me, but, you know, I choose not to wear a helmet. And that should be the end of it. There should be no more debate. There should be no more, well, you're gonna fucking die, you stupid bastard. Well, guess what, you stupid bastard? You could die too. Everybody's gonna fucking die. You start dying the minute you're born. So, calm the fuck down with the bullshit. Calm down with your opinions and shit. It's cool. It'll be alright, I promise. You're trying to push your beliefs on everybody else. Kind of like fucking religion and shit, you know? Y'all pushing religion beliefs and shit on everybody else. You know, I'm not gonna get into that right now. Oh man, we'd be here for hours. Anyways, maybe I've calmed down a little bit since I started this. I was getting pretty angry about it earlier, I really was. I'm thinking about lane splitting with a cop right there. Not even in 6th gear. Come on, people, let's go here. Oh my God, people are pissing me off. The fuck out of the left lane, stupid cocksucker! I don't even give a shit, that's a cop right there. Just don't care. Oh, what is with people tonight? So yeah, that car up, I don't know if y'all can see the taillights, with the solid taillights on the cross. That's a fucking cop. It's actually a sheriff. I'm just lane splitting. I don't give a fuck, dude. I'm in a good mood right now. Got a fucking Harley out, got all the goddamn oil changed in it. I ended up doing all of it. Did transmission, primary engine oil, switched over to synthetic. I know I said something about my last video about a new helmet, and definitely gonna have to go with a different helmet. This variance is getting too fucking heavy for my damn neck. I went to physical therapy for 6 weeks, didn't make it any better. Gonna have to get another MRI to see exactly what is going on with it. I already know my C6 and C7 are crushed. I already know that. But I mean, surgery is not an option. I'm not gonna do surgery at all. I mean, I know too many people that have come out worse on surgery than get any better when it comes to neck and back. And I know you know you always hear those certain cases that people did do really good, but I'm not gonna do it. I know there's a few options, you know, shots and stuff like that I might explore, but I'm not gonna do surgery. But anyhow, so if you would like to make a comment on no helmet or helmet, feel free to make a comment. But I ask you to please keep it respectable. I don't want any arguments or fighting in my comments, otherwise they will be fucking deleted. This is probably going to end up being a little bit longer of a video. I might do a test hit. Yeah, let's see. I don't like racing on this road. Too many people's died on this road, but there's nobody down here right now. I might do a quick test hit, see what happens. Not even warming up tire. That didn't feel very good. Didn't feel good at all. Kind of feels like she's down on power. Alright, everybody. I'm at work, so video ending. And I will catch you on the flip side. Later.